Unraveling Idioms. Throw in the towel, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unravel its mysteries one idiom at a time. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, throw in the towel. You might have heard it in movies, read it in books, or even come across it in casual conversations. But what does it really mean, and where does it come from? Stay tuned as we break it down for you. The phrase, throw in the towel, is used to express the act of giving up, admitting defeat, or conceding failure in a situation. When someone decides they can no longer continue with a particular challenge or competition and gives up, they are said to throw in the towel. This idiom is often used in contexts where someone is struggling with a difficult task, facing insurmountable obstacles, or in competitions where they realize they cannot win. To truly understand this idiom, it's important to know where it comes from. Throw in the towel has its roots in boxing. During a boxing match, if a boxer is in a situation where they are unable to continue fighting, either because of exhaustion, injury, or being outclassed by their opponent, their trainer or cornerman can literally throw a towel into the ring to signal that they wish to forfeit the match on behalf of the boxer. This act is seen as a way to protect the boxer from further harm. The phrase has since transcended the sport and is now used more broadly in everyday language. Understanding how to use an idiom in context can greatly improve your fluency in English. Here are a few examples of how throw in the towel can be incorporated into sentences. After several hours of trying to solve the complex mathematics problem, she finally threw in the towel and asked for help. Despite the startup's initial promise, the founders had to throw in the towel after facing continuous financial difficulties. He was considering throwing in the towel on his novel, but a sudden burst of inspiration changed his mind. There are several other idioms and expressions that convey a similar meaning to throw in the towel. Knowing these can enrich your vocabulary and understanding of the English language. Here are a few. Give up the ghost. Wave the white flag. Call it quits. Each of these expressions can be used in contexts where someone is giving up or admitting defeat, though the nuances and usage can vary slightly. We hope this exploration of the phrase, throw in the towel, has been enlightening and adds a valuable piece to your English language puzzle. Idioms like these enrich our conversations and writing, providing color and depth to our expressions. Don't forget, learning a language is a journey filled with discovery at every turn. Never throw in the towel on your quest to master English. The rewards are truly worth the effort. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.